Bad boy. Et toutes tes copines sont des bad girls. On s'en fout du risque, on n'a pas de bol. Et on n'a pas de bol. Et t'es
First, get your clips ready in new project with audio. Now go to Beats and mark beats in the audio like mine. Now go to Speed Cure and choose Custom, then add one dot in the middle of each two dots. Now set all middle dot to 0.1x and set all first dot to 2x. Apply slow-mo on better quality. Next go to Speed, Cure, Custom on next clip and do same process. Now click white box between clips and add slide left transition. Now go to Effects, then search wide angle and add the effect. Object all video and cut it between both clips like mine. Add a keyframe in the middle and set intensity 70, then set it to 0 on first and last keyframe. Now duplicate it. Now go again to Effects, then add shape. Object all video, then cut it a minimum like mine. Add a keyframe at start and set both values to 10, then set both values to 0 on last keyframe. Copy the effect and add to next beat. Now copy one by one and add to all remaining beats. Go back to beginning timeline, then overlay a white background from library. Zoom it to whole screen and make it 0.2 seconds shorter. Go on Splice and set it to 70 and choose Overlay next. Go to Animations and choose Fade Out Max. Duplicate it and add to next beat. Now duplicate it one by one and add to all remaining beats like mine. Thanks for watching the video. Now, let's see results.
bad boy. Et toutes tes copines sont des bad girls. On s'en